Freudian slip. Okay. In case you missed your middle school sex ed class, here to explain it all. I'm blushing, aren't I? Okay. Here to explain it all is Chichi and Chonga.
You can call me Mrs. Pussy Culo.
You can't say that.
I can't say Pussy Culo?
Okay, and I'm Chonga. You can call me Miss Bonga. Let me know when it's nap time.
Okay. Before we get started, this special commercial goes out to all you soccer moms and people with bowl-shaped haircuts. Our homie Joseph Reed, aka Svetlana Trastastic,
yes, that's right,
actually could fix that job for you, alright? So go to www.enhancedportland.com. Hooked on Phonics is actually working.
Hooked on Phonics.
Yeah, but if not, you can find me. I got a Brian Joseph's around here. Joseph.
Yes.
Put your dick in the air so people can recognize you.
There you go.
Okay. So to get back to why we're here to teach you sexual education via, we're here to talk to you guys about the truth about cats and dogs.
No, the birds and the bees.
Them too, girl? They're making us jump through all kinds of hoops like circus kudos. Just so we want to get our probation, they're going to make us do all kinds of community service and talk to all these
No, hey, it's okay. Hey, you guys, so, when you like somebody, you said you want to, make love. Create love and kiss them.
Yeah, and when you kiss somebody, all you gotta do is put your lips together and blow, and then you put your tongue in their mouth and lick the front of their teeth.
No, that's not what we're gonna say.
Okay.
No. When you like somebody, or you kind of like them, or your friend dares you to, then you kiss them.
But you better not kiss anybody until you're over 18, because then now your lips are gonna fall off.
Gigi, you can't lie to them like that.
I'm not lying to them, girl. I'm just telling them my version of the truth that they could believe blindly.
You mean like organized religion?
Yeah! Okay, so we're here to talk about the birds and the bees and all the wild things. Okay, so when a bird likes a bee, or a bee likes a bird, or a bee likes a bee, or a bird likes a bird, or a bee used to be a bird and then had a little transitional operation to become what it felt like. And there's people there's like birds and bees that are into that, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
So it doesn't matter, because somebody likes a combination. They like a bird plus 2 bees, or a bee plus 2 birds.
With another head.
Or another hole, or like there's birds who used to be bees, or he, she's, or him, shims, or like everybody likes a tranny, right?
In your life, you're going to meet a lot of birds and a lot of bees who just want to hook up, and if that's your thing, then that's cool, but you should never let anyone persuade you into, nesting in your hive.
Oh, girl, like a bird don't got no protection and he wants to lay an egg up in me? I'm not paying all that child support, your asses.
Oh, yeah. And then you get all these chicken heads clucking at you because you slept with their man, but he swear he's a hawk, he ain't nothing but a sparrow.
Or like when your bird lives in the nest with his mama and he's always at your house talking about this is ours. Oh, no, this ain't ours. I worked my ass off for this. I don't want no busted ass pigeon. You need to take like, I'm a queen bee.
Now ain't that the real truth about the birds and the bees?
And the cats and the dogs, girl. All this talk about lust and love reminds me of this poem. I'm gonna recite a little poem for you guys. Love, by far, is the most purest thing, like a rose's fragrance. or a baby's birth. Love me and leave me, that's the story of my life. But it won't happen again, you see, because I bought myself a butcher's knife. Next motherfucker that loves me and leaves me so quick, I'ma fuck his brother. Then I'm gonna fuck his dad. Then I'm gonna fuck his grandpa.
Remember, you respect yourself now.
I forgot.
Alright, so I guess moving on, we have a little song prepared for all you birds and bees and he's and she's and everybody that got some weeds.
Are you ready?